Imagine gazing up at the night sky, feeling a sense of wonder and perhaps a little bit of loneliness. For centuries, we've looked at the stars and asked the same question: are we alone? Well, what if I told you that for the past 6 months, an answer has been trying to break through the cosmic silence? An answer that we almost missed. Our story begins half a year ago at the largest single-dish radio telescope on Earth. The 500-meter Aperture Spherical Telescope, or FAST, tucked away in the mountains of Guizhou, China. This colossal instrument is our planet's most sensitive ear, constantly listening to the whispers of the universe. 6 months ago, it picked up something unusual, faint, almost imperceptible blip in its data. At the time, astronomers cataloged it as just another piece of cosmic static, the background noise of the universe. It could have been anything: a distant pulsar, interference from a satellite, or even a faulty piece of equipment. In the vast ocean of data FAST collects every single day, this one tiny anomaly was logged, filed away, and largely forgotten. It was a drop of rain in a thunderstorm, seemingly insignificant, but the universe has a funny way of making itself heard. As the weeks turned into months, similar blips kept appearing. Sporadic at first, but persistent. They were still faint, still easily dismissible as random noise. However, the sheer volume of data pouring from FAST is too much for any human team to sift through manually. That's where a new generation of artificial intelligence comes into play, a sophisticated AI algorithms designed specifically for pattern recognition. We're tasked with scanning this endless stream of cosmic information. Their job is to find the needles in a haystack the size of a galaxy. This AI isn't just looking for simple repetitions. It's trained to identify complex, non-random sequences, structures hidden within what appears to be chaos. And a few weeks ago, something incredible happened. The AI flagged the anomaly, not just once but repeatedly. It connected the dots between those faint, forgotten blips, revealing a pattern that had been hiding in plain sight. The cosmic static wasn't static at all. It was a recurring signal, appearing at predictable intervals from the same patch of sky. This wasn't random noise. It was something organized. The AI's alert sent a jolt through the astronomical community. The forgotten blip was suddenly the most important signal on the planet. Teams of scientists immediately scrambled to re-examine the data, focusing all their attention on this one mysterious source. They ruled out all the usual suspects. It wasn't a pulsar. The timing was all wrong. It wasn't a magnetar's powerful burst. The signal was too weak and structured. It wasn't interference from earthly technology. The signal was clearly coming from deep space, from a direction with no known stars or galaxies of interest. Every natural explanation they threw at it failed. The data just didn't fit. The signal was unlike any known celestial phenomenon. It was clean, it was structured, and it was repeating. And that's when a chilling realization began to set in. The team started analyzing the structure of the signal itself. This is where the story goes from intriguing to truly unsettling. Natural radio bursts, even repeating ones like fast radio bursts or FRBs, have a certain chaotic signature. They are the product of immense, violent cosmic events. Think of them as cosmic screams. The signal, however, was different. It wasn't a scream. It was more like a whisper, or perhaps a voice. Using advanced decryption and analysis software, the scientists broke down the signal into its base components. They found that it wasn't a single, continuous tone. It was a sequence of distinct pulses grouped together in a complex, repetitive arrangement. Imagine a sequence of beats. ... pause, ... pause. But infinitely more complex. The patterns were intricate, mathematical. They contained layered information, nested structures that defied any natural explanation. Nature can create patterns, like the spiral of a galaxy, or the crystal structure of a snowflake. But it doesn't create nested, symbolic language. It doesn't compose symphonies. The truth became undeniable, as unsettling as it was profound. These were not natural radio bursts. The signal bore all the hallmarks of artificiality. It was structured, repetitive, and complex in a way that suggested it was engineered. It was a beacon, a message. We had been listening for a simple hello from the cosmos, a singular, unambiguous ping. Instead, we found something far more complex, a stream of information we could not yet understand. The signal from nowhere, the one we almost dismissed as noise, was in fact the most significant discovery in human history. For 6 months, this echo has been bouncing around our hard drives, a ghost in the machine. Now, it's at the forefront of scientific inquiry. Who or what is sending it? From where? And most importantly, what are they trying to say? We've spent our entire existence shouting into the void, asking, is anybody out there? The silence has been broken. The echo has returned. And now, the real work begins, learning to understand it. The world is about to change forever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this incredible story.